Wrapping your wound with beauty. Synthetic orthopedic casting solution. ALTOCHEM. ALTOCHEM. Meticulous products, the finest raw materials, and adhesive technology. ALTOCHEM has developed its medical casting tape and splint for finer quality. In order to emphasize its harmonious balance with human body, we control our development of raw materials strictly and produce high-quality tapes, splints, and their packagings within stable and efficient condition. Moreover, we try rigorously to provide eco-friendly product by meticulous research. ALTOCHEM, with 20 years of continuous craftsmanship and 2 years of supplier for the Korean Armed Forces, thrives to focus on new products by not only exporting cast and splint products internationally, but also developing various related adhesive businesses worldwide. Alto Series, Cast and Splint. ALTOCAST various colors and sizes simply add beautiful outlooks to patients' injury care. Because ALTOCAST is made of polyester or fiberglass fabric, including the polyurethane resin, it gets activated by water to become hardened in 4 minutes and is completely set within 20 minutes. Also, our patented manufacturing technique has solved the end-edge folding issue. Alto Splint is a fast-acting synthetic orthopedic splint for an emergency or temporary medical use. Alto Splint can be adjusted to most of the curves and joints. Alto Splint's outside pads are non-woven fabric, while the 7 or 8 layers of fiberglass or a single layer of non-woven substrate works well with water to shape in any form, and no fiberglass points sticking out by our unique heat treatment. This allows a patient to disassemble our product with ease. ALTOCHEM started as a professional chemical adhesive company, thriving with its strength in chemical development and especially excellent in cast and splint areas. We proudly export to worldwide market. begin differently. ALTOCHEM